Hello friends, we are going to continue with your topic mathematical logic. Okay, mathematical logic. In last session, we already discussed about the what is the statement, what is the truth value of statements, and we are going to start with compound statement. The compound statement is a statement which formed by using the logical connectives. So in this session we are going to discuss about the logical connectives. So what is the connectives? To connect means to join. To connect means to join. For two statements, if we have two statements, we have to connect them. Then we using the some connectives, some words called as logical connectives. Basically, in mathematics there are four main connectives: and, or, if, then, for, if and only if. These are the four main logical connectives that we have to use in mathematical logic. Okay, with the help of these logical connectives, it forms a compound statement. It forms a compound statement. So what is the compound statement? The statement which is formed from the logical connectives is called as a compound statement. Compound statement may be true, may be false. Okay. Logical connective and, if using and, today is the present day, I am going to picnic. Here I am going to use and. Tomorrow I will go to Mumbai or Pune. This is or. If tomorrow is raining, I will go in my own village. If you get the admissions in IIT, you must crack JEE. If you get the admission in IIT, if and only if you crack JEE examination. So these four words are used in the compound statements. So we are going to discuss about what is the truth table for these connectives. Truth table is the table showing the different truth values. Either it is false, either it is true. First statement is true, second is false. Then what is the value of entire compound statement that we are going to discuss? So we are going to discuss today the logical connective. First is and. And is a word that we use to connect two statements. Okay? And in mathematical logic, it will be given by the symbol like this. It will be given represented by a symbol like this. So we are going to discuss where the and is used. What is the truth table of this and? Logical word for the and is conjunction. Conjunction. So what is the conjunction? What is the and? We are going to discuss. Okay. Let's consider two statements. Today is pleasant day. Today is pleasant day. In Q be the statement, I will go to shopping. Today is a pleasant day. I will go to the shopping. If the statement is today is pleasant day, Q be the statement, I will go to the shopping. Okay, we are going to conjunct them. We are going to use and. So what is the P and Q? Today is pleasant day, and you are going to use the word and. It is a logical connectives. I will go to shopping. I will go to shopping. So friends, with the help of this connectives and we getting this statement. This statement is called as a compound statement. This statement is called as a compound statement. The statement is formed from the two statements P and Q. What is the value of P? What is the value of Q? True or false? We are going to take some conditions. But with the help of this P and Q, with the help of two simple statements, I form one compound statement. दोन सिंपल स्टेटमेंट आपल्याला गिवन आहे. त्या सिंपल स्टेटमेंट पासून एक कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंट यूज तयार झालं. हे कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंट कोणत्या कनेक्टिव्ह मध्ये तयार झालं? अँड. सो लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्हज are the connectives which are used to combine the two statements in mathematics. But two statements are these simple statements. This is all about the logical connectives and okay. Okay. In mathematics, for the use of and, the similar type of words are used. Yet, in spite, at, in spite, but these are the similar words. We can use also at, in spite, but, and. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है, असं नाही होऊ शकत की प्रत्येक स्टेटमेंट मध्ये अँड येणार आहे. त्या स्टेटमेंट मध्ये एट पण येऊ शकतो. टुडे इज अ प्लेझंट डे, येट आय विल गो शॉपिंग. Today is a pleasant day. In spite, I will go to the shopping. But in spite, yet, and these are the words used for the conjunction. Okay. So we are going to discuss the truth table of this value. Very important. So for the examination, the truth table may be asked for 2 marks. So how many conditions for getting the truth table? This truth table we will learn by you. But how this truth table will become? हा truth table कसा फॉर्म झाला, कशा कंडिशन वर फॉर्म झाला याच्याकडे लक्ष द्या. पहिले आपल्याकडे P एक स्टेटमेंट आहे, नंतर Q स्टेटमेंट आहे, नंतर आपण केलंय P and Q. ठीक आहे. बघा कंडिशन कसे आहेत. सपोज P स्टेटमेंट ट्रू आहे तुमच्याकडे आणि Q पण स्टेटमेंट ट्रू आहे, तर तेव्हा काय घडेल ते बघूया. पहिला स्टेटमेंट P ट्रू आहे आणि आता दुसरं स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स आहे, तर ही एक कंडिशन झाली मित्रांनो. तिसरी कंडिशन काय होऊ शकते. पहिलं स्टेटमेंट ट्रू आहे, पहिलं स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स आहे, दुसरं ट्रू आहे आणि चौथी कंडिशन अशी तयार होते फॉल्स फॉल्स. So you have to learn the formulas that if there are 2 statements, the number of condition is 4. If there are 3 statements, number of condition will be 8. 2 statement 2 raised to 2, 4 condition. 3 statement 2 raised to 3 is equal to किती? How many? 8 condition. So 4 कंडिशन येतील. दोन्ही स्टेटमेंट ट्रू असल्यावर काय होईल? पहिला ट्रू दुसरा फॉल्स असल्यावर काय होईल? पहिला फॉल्स दुसरा ट्रू असल्यावर काय होईल आणि दोन्ही फॉल्स असल्यावर काय होईल. ठीक आहे. आता याचा आन्सर आपल्याला फाइंड करायचा आहे मित्रांनो. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट की स्टेटमेंटचं कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंटचं मीनिंग चेंज नको व्हायला. आता दोन्ही ट्रू आहे. टुडे इज अ प्लेझंट डे, आय विल गो टू शॉपिंग. दिस इज ट्रू, दिस इज ट्रू, देन आन्सर इज ट्रू. मॅथमॅटिकल लॉजिक मध्ये दोन्ही स्टेटमेंट जर ट्रू असले तरी ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू ही कधी पण ट्रू असते. for every statement. If both are true, then it is. Let's see. Second number. Okay. Today is a pleasant day, and I will not go to shopping because second statement is false. Then it is a meaningless statement. ठीक आहे. तर डायरेक्टली लक्षात ठेवायचंय जेव्हा जेव्हा अँड येईल मित्रांनो तेव्हा तेव्हा जर दोन्ही ट्रू असतील तर ट्रू, अदरवाइज सगळे स्टेटमेंट हे फॉल्स असतात. अँड मध्ये दोघं स्टेटमेंट जर ट्रू असतील तर कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंटची व्हॅल्यू ट्रू असते. जर दोघांपैकी कोणताही एक स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स असला तर पूर्ण कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंटची व्हॅल्यू ही फॉल्स असते. गेटिंग दिस? Every student has to write down in the notebook that this example, this truth table, conjunction and theory. This is a very important table for you. What is the table for the and? Both are true. Answer is true. If दोनों में से दोघांपैकी एकही false असला तर ये आन्सर काय असतो? This is all about the and. This is simple. Okay. Next connectives we are going to discuss is disjunction. Okay. Next connective that we are going to discuss is disjunction. Okay, that is or. Connective number 2, or. It is called as disjunction. You may call as it is represented by the symbol this. Okay, so we are going to discuss with this or. So or is a word which is called as a logical connectives used to form the two compound statements. दोन सिंपल स्टेटमेंट पासून जेव्हा आपण और कनेक्टिव्ह यूज करतो तर एक सिंपल डिसजंक्शन स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म होतो. That we are going to take the simple example P. Rahul will get IIT. Q statement. Rahul crack JEE exam. Okay, this is one example. Rahul will get IIT or Rahul will get crack JEE exam. Another from this example, we are taking some similar type of a simple example that we are going to take. I will play cricket. I will go to study. I will play cricket. I will go to study. So we have to form the compound statement using or. So what is this? I will play cricket or I will go to study. Don't use I will another type or go to study. मी एक तर क्रिकेट खेळ नाहीतर अभ्यासाला जाईल. हे दोन स्टेटमेंट मी कशाने कंबाईन केलं मित्रांनो? और ने. So this statement is formed is called as a compound statement. So for the disjunction it is or. We are going to use the statement connectives or. I will play cricket or I will go to the study. This type of statement is called as compound statement using the logical connectives or. Similar type of the truth table for this. Again, truth statement. Truth table is P, Q, P or Q. Okay. P, true, true, false, false. Similar type of adjustment for true statement. True, false, तो फॉल्स, दोनों ट्रू, एक ट्रू, दोनों पहला ट्रू दूसरा फॉल्स, दोनों फॉल्स. For the or, let's see for the or. If both statements are false, then value of compound statement is false. What I am going to discuss? If both statements are false, then the value of compound statement is false. I will not play cricket. I will not go to study. This is false statements. Both are false, then compound statement is meaningless. Otherwise, if दोघांपैकी कोणताही स्टेटमेंट जरी ट्रू असला तर व्हॅल्यू ऑफ कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंट इज ऑलवेज ट्रू. सी, या कॉलम मध्ये कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंटची व्हॅल्यू ट्रू आहे का फॉल्स आहे ते हे दिलेलं आहे. याच्यामध्ये पहिलं स्टेटमेंट ट्रू आहे का फॉल्स आहे, दुसरं स्टेटमेंट ट्रू आहे का फॉल्स आहे. दिस इज द व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंट. In this way, this is the OR discussion about the logical connectives OR. Okay, we are going to take some examples based on this. Okay. आणि ऑर वरती आपण सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ एग्जांपल बघूया. ओके, the similar type of example we have already discussed. For example, first statement, triangle is isosceles or equilateral. ओके, याच्यावर या एक्झाम्पल वरून आपल्याला मॅथमॅटिकल स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म करायचं आहे. लेट आय एम गोइंग टू अज्युम पी इज द स्टेटमेंट. याच्यामध्ये एक कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंट आहे. दिस इज वन कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंट. ठीक आहे. सो कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंट वी हैव टू फॉर्म द मॅथमॅटिकल एक्सप्रेशन फॉर दिस. ओके, व्हाट इज द पी स्टेटमेंट? Triangle is isosceles and Q statement is triangle is equilateral. Triangle is isosceles, triangle is equilateral. So these are the two statements which are formed from this separate statement, which are formed from this compound statement. या कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट पासून हे दोन सेपरेट स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म झाले. व्हॉट दे यूज, दिस इज ऑर. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्स. याला लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्ह म्हणता येईल. सर, व्हॉट इज द मॅथमॅटिकल एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द स्टेटमेंट्स? P, Q. This P and Q will be joined by the connectives. कोणत्या connectives ने? OR. So we are going to use OR. This is the mathematical expression for this compound statement. So this is a mathematical logic used in the compound statements. Okay, so students, you have to write this proper. In next lecture we are going to discuss about the next connectives, either or, neither nor, or that is if and then, if and only if. The very important that we have to discuss is the negation of any statement. Okay, thank you so much.